Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Playboy 2 puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Alexander Majoric from Slovakia and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. The Playboy 2 puzzle was made using pink oak and paduk. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is to fit all 4 parts inside the frame in such a way that all openings will be covered and there will be no sticking out parts like you can see right now. This puzzle is a unique puzzle since it has quite a unique shape. Actually, it is a 3x3x3 cube which was stretched along the x-axis, and the parts inside were stretched as well. This unique shape making this puzzle quite a challenge. First time when I was solving it, I was a little bit dizzy because of solving the puzzle, since my brain was refusing to accept the shape of the parts. I was still thinking about it as a 3x3x3 cube, but the parts have a little bit strange shape and my brain was just all over the place. But it took me about 5 to 10 minutes to get used to the shape of the parts of the frame, and then I was able to figure out the solution of the puzzle. As you can see, the parts are so challenging that if you take a regular 3x3 cube and put parts together, there are like a lot of different ways how you can put them. But here, because of the unusual shape of the stretched shape, you can't put parts together like this, since it ruins the whole shape of the piece. You can put them only like this, for example, or if you put it upside down, it's a wrong shape already. You can put them like this. That looks pretty nice. You can't put this part like this, since again it ruins the whole shape, but you can put it like this. So that is quite a challenge to understand how to put these parts together, but once you get used to the shape of the parts, you will be able to figure out the solution. If you like the Playboy 2 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.